Hello my friends, good day to you. Welcome back to the Dennis Bayway video channel. In today's sales training lesson, we're going to be teaching you how to overcome objections in sales. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back my friends. In today's video, we're going to be talking about overcoming objections in sales. But before we carry on, I'm very excited and very grateful, and I want to say thank you to all our YouTube subscribers because our YouTube video channel just crossed 500 subscribers today. I'm very happy with the result. It's nothing to shout out about, but again, I'm very thankful. Thank you all of the subscribers on our channel. Alright, let's get on to today's topic. We're going to be teaching you 3 simple steps that you can use every day, right, to overcome objections in your sales career. Now, the number 1 rule that we want to learn is this, okay? Write this down. Objections are not equal to rejections, okay? So when someone objects to you, it does not mean that they're rejecting you. No, okay, that's not the case. In fact, we love objections, okay? In sales, we love it when the customer has objections, when the customer has concerns, has doubts, and they object to something, right? And they're asking questions. This is actually good. It's actually a sign that they're interested, all right? If they just keep quiet and say nothing, that's the worst, okay? We really hate that. All right, and we want the customer to actually give us objections. Okay, so remember this rule: objections are not equal to rejections. Okay, and the second rule is objections are a good thing. Objections are good. Okay, so it just means that they have concerns and they have questions that need you to be the answer. You need to answer their objection. You need to clear their doubts and you need to show them your solution. Okay, so your job, remember, your job is to help these customers to answer their concerns. All right, and you provide a solution to their problems. Okay, so let's get into the 3 simple steps you can use to handle objections daily. All right, step number 1. Okay, step number 1. When your customer has an objection, okay, this is what you need to do. Step number 1, you need to smile. Okay, stay positive, smile. All right, they are not rejecting you, they're just objecting to a certain part of your product or service that you're trying to promote. Okay, there's something they need to be clear. So they're not rejecting you personally, so don't take it personally. All right, so what you do is smile and you agree with your customer. All right, so write this down: agree with your customer. All right, so this is what you need to do. You need to say, yes, I agree with you. Smile, nod. Okay, yes, I agree with you. Yes, I totally understand what you're saying. Yes, I totally get your point. All right, so you need to smile, nod, and say yes. Okay, because you need to stand on the side of your customer. Okay, agree with your customer, stand on the side of your customer. Okay, and what you don't want to do is you don't want to get into an argument with your customer. You don't want to disagree openly with your customer. You don't want to object to their viewpoint. No, okay, no, don't say that. All right, so what you don't want to do is you don't want to say, no, customer, I don't agree. No, that's not right. No, that's not how it works. No, this is not how you should be thinking. No, don't say no and do not object to them. You must always move yourself to be on their side. Okay, you're standing next to them, you're holding their shoulder, hugging them, and you're in the same frequency with them. You're on their side. You are not trying to fight them. Okay, so don't fight with your customer. Now, step number 2. Okay, write this down. Step number 2, you must show that you care. Okay, show that you care. You must have genuine concern and genuine passion to be someone who's willing to help your customers solve their problem. Okay, you're trying to provide a solution. Okay, so this the key word here is this English word called empathy. Empathy. Everybody remember that word, empathy. What does it mean? In plain, simple English, just means that you need to show that you care, you feel for your customer. All right, so there's a technique that you might have heard elsewhere in other videos or in some books that is it's commonly taught, but it's really very useful and we use it every day. Okay, so remember this technique. It's called the 3 F's. Okay, feel, felt, and found. All right, feel, felt, and found. It's a very simple thing to remember, okay, and it's very easy to use. All right, so let's combine it with step number 1, which is agree with your customer. So whatever objection that your customer comes up with, it doesn't matter what they say. What must you do first? Smile, nod, and say, yes, I agree with you, Mr. Customer. I totally get what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, okay? Then you move on to step number 2. You say, hey, I really feel you, right? I know how you feel. And, in the past, I felt the same way like you. Okay, I had the same concerns. I had the same questions. I had the same doubts. However, I found that because of whatever company that I'm representing, or whatever product or service that I'm using, or I'm trying to promote, okay, to you, because of this product or service, my life, or our business, or our career, or whatever it is, my health, my beauty, my skin, my hair, whatever it could be, has benefited so much, has changed and improved positively so much, right, compared to the past. All right, because of this company, because of this product or service or whatever solution that we are providing to our customers, okay? And we are so happy, we're so glad today that we made that decision, all right? We made that decision. We did not hesitate with that decision, okay? So the formula is very simple, okay? It's a very simple formula. You have to be a bit versatile and flexible when it comes to your particular company, product or service or business opportunity, whatever it is that you're trying to sell, okay, whatever it is they're trying to promote to the customer, okay. Follow the formula: feel, felt, and found, okay. Step 1, yes, I agree, I totally get you, I understand you, I'm on your side, okay, I'm here to help, I care about you and your problems, all right. I feel you, I know how you feel. I felt the same way in the past, same like you, okay, I had the same concerns. However, I found that because of whatever this company, this product or service, right, we benefited so much, okay, our life changed positively so much, all right, whatever it is has improved, vastly improved, dramatically over time, okay, because of this particular company, product or service, okay. And today we are so happy we made that decision, okay. So it's a very simple formula. Can all of you remember that? If not, watch this video again and again and you get what I'm saying, okay. Let's give you some example. Let's say I am a company that sells skincare solutions, all right. So my prospect, my customer says, I need to think about this, okay. I'm not too sure whether I need this. I'm already very happy with whatever I'm using, okay. And say, well, let's say the customer's name is Mary. Say, Mary, I totally agree with you. I totally agree. I totally get you, right? I know exactly how you feel. In fact, I felt the same way. I was using XYZ brand for like 10 years. I was so happy with it, and no concerns, right? However, I found that after I tried this particular brand, okay, ABC brand, right, of this company, man, right, within like weeks, within like, in fact days, right, my complexion has totally improved, like 100%. Okay, my pigmentation has gone down. My pores on my nose has become like so fine that you can't even see it. I saw dramatic change compared with what I was using 10 years, for 10 years. In the weeks, this company's products changed my life, and I'm so glad I made that decision, okay. Very simple, right? Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say I'm selling nutrition, okay, nutrition. So John, I totally agree with you, right? I know it's like, I know why you feel that you don't need to take any nutritional products or vitamins or whatever, right? I felt the same way. Okay, however, right, I found that after taking this company's particular multivitamin, I didn't believe in buying like 50 different bottles of nutritional products. So they said, hey, just take this box of multivitamins. It has everything inside, A to Z, zinc, magnesium, whatever, everything that you need for your daily health. So I tried it out, and within like a month, well, I had more energy. I was feeling tired every day, but now I feel like, so energetic. I feel like, I have more power, and that actually enables me to be more efficient at my work. And that has, had a huge dramatic change in not only my career, but also my family life. I have so much more energy to be with my kids, be with my wife, be with my family, and wow, life has totally changed. I'm so glad I made this decision. Okay, so you can apply this for anything, even slimming, real estate, insurance, travel, selling, franchises, anything that you can think of. All right, so let's give one last example. Let's say I'm trying to sell to a customer a new luxury apartment. I say, hey, Jonathan, I totally agree with you. I'm totally getting what you're thinking here, and I get your concerns, and I want to help. Right? I know how you feel. I felt the same way in the past. I was living in a not so nice neighborhood, and every day when I go in and out of my house, especially at night, I don't feel safe, especially for my children. So I found that after I moved to this neighborhood, man, I feel totally safe. We're having walks with the family out at night. We're no longer afraid because there's like security. It's a gated community, and then there's a school, there's a church, there's a leisure center. So our life has dramatically changed, and we don't live in fear every day now because we moved to this neighborhood and got this apartment here. So and I have so many customers who have told me the same thing. So we're so glad that we helped our customers and even myself to make this decision. Okay, so trust me, let's get you started. Okay, so let me continue to step number 3. All right, step number 3, you might have heard what I said just now. Step number 3, after you have agreed with the customer, after you have used the feel, felt, found technique to show that you care and you're on their side, okay, and you go into step 3, which is ask the closing question. Okay, ask the closing question. And you know what? Questions are the answers to every sale. So this is how you do it. You don't try to close the sale by saying, hey, do you want to buy this now? No, don't do that. You say, does that answer all your concerns? Or do you have any other concerns? If yes, please ask all your concerns now, because we're all busy. I'm very busy, you're very busy. Who knows when is the next time we're gonna meet up like that? Who knows when's the next time we're gonna call and talk to each other like that? Okay, so so let's not waste each other's time, right? I know you would love to get this product, and I know I'll be very happy, right, to sell you this product or this service. Okay, so any other concerns, please ask them now. Let me help you to clear it all up, and we can get you started. Okay, so the key here is to let your customer ask all their concerns. And once you have asked this question, say, hey, do you have any other concerns, anything else? Ask them now so that I can help you. Then you shut up, you keep quiet, and you smile, and you wait. Write this down. The first person who opens their mouth and speaks loses. Okay, the first person who opens their mouth and speaks loses. Okay, so don't open your mouth. Wait for the customer to open their mouth, ask the questions, you clear all the objections, and then again you rinse and repeat. So if you have no more concerns, let's get you started right away. All I need is for you to put your name here on this dotted line, and then we can get you started. Okay, all I need is your Visa or MasterCard, and we can get you started. Did you bring your ID or your driver's license? I can get you started right away. And hold out your hand, smile, nod, and say yes with your mouth, but don't say it out, say yeah. Okay, then your friend will hold out the hand and bring out his credit card or whatever, and boom, you got the sale. Okay, so trust me, this really works, guys. Okay, but don't worry if you don't get the sale, right? Because our golden rule is SW, SW, SWN. Some will, some won't, so what? Next. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, if you think it benefited you, click the like and subscribe button. Go to my website, dennisbayway.com, get all my free trainings and my free book, and I will see you at the top.